In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image picture with Optimus Prime in the Google Gemini Windows app. We'll walk through a simple flow, adding an image if you want a visual reference, writing a strong prompt that describes the scene, sending it to Gemini, and letting the app do the heavy lifting. I'll explain what to click and why, and share a few tips so you get a cinematic, professional result. First, open the Gemini app on Windows and look for the plus icon. This is the button you use to upload an image. Click the plus sign, then choose a photo from your computer. A reference image is optional, but it can help set the vibe, color palette, or pose for the scene. Pick something clear and relevant, and make sure you have the right to use it. Standard formats like JPG and PNG work well, and higher quality files tend to guide the model better. Next, move to the prompt box and craft your description. The key is to be specific about subject, setting, lighting, camera perspective, materials, and mood. For example, you could write something like, a cinematic, ultra-realistic scene of a young man sitting confidently in front of a massive kneeling Optimus Prime. He's wearing a white shirt, baggy pants, and Adidas Samba shoes. The area is an abandoned industrial site with red brick walls and broken windows, overgrown with vines and vegetation. It's golden hour, with warm morning sunlight, soft shadows, realistic depth of field, and detailed textures on the robot's worn metal and mechanical joints. Use a dramatic low-angle perspective, photorealistic environment, filmic tone mapping, volumetric sunlight, and sharp focus on the man and the robot to create a storytelling mood of strength and resilience. Natural language like this is great. You don't have to use every technical term, but clarity helps Gemini understand the composition you want. When your prompt looks good, press Enter on your keyboard to submit it. If you prefer clicking, the send icon next to the prompt field does the same thing. Now wait a moment while Gemini generates the image. Processing time can vary based on the prompt's complexity and your connection, so give it a bit of breathing room. You may see a spinner or progress indicator while the model builds out lighting, textures, and fine details. If the first output isn't exactly what you imagined, small prompt tweaks, like adjusting the lighting, angle, or mood, can steer the results closer to your vision. And that's it. Upload your reference with the plus sign, write a clear, detailed prompt, press Enter, and let Gemini create your Optimus Prime scene with cinematic realism.